I am of a generation that has transcended quite a bit of technology over my lifetime. As a DJ, that has made things especially interesting. I used to DJ using CDs. I had a set of Numark CDN34s, decent decks of the day. They were alright. And nowadays, when I do occasionally do a gig, I have a Numark DJ controller connected to my laptop. The old HH speakers I still use, and I've restored these recently. I absolutely love them. But one thing that has really piqued my interest of late are these disco consoles. Now, objectively, these things are a nightmare to deal with. DJing has got so much easier of late. I mean, you have the world of music at your fingertips and you're not carrying around as much heavy gear as you used to have to. Take this Numark Mix Track Platinum, for example. I would connect this up to my laptop and I would have an entire world of music at my fingertips, and I don't have to carry around a flight case full of CDs or vinyls. And this is a pretty entry-level controller, to be honest with you. There are much more advanced pieces of gear than this. But then when you look at this, you think, yeah, you have to carry this with you, but then you also have to bring all of your vinyls with you as well. And what you've got on the night is what you've got. You have no other choice. My friends have been known to call me Retro Ross from time to time. Can't imagine why. I mean, you have this kind of gear as well, and the Beatle, that sort of stuff as well, even using the old school speakers. But here's the funny thing. I love this. I think it is so cool, and I actually want to get out and use it. I have got this pretty much fixed up now. I just need to get a new set of needles and belts for it, and it is good to go. So, yeah, the idea of carrying around a laptop, just for some reason or another, just doesn't appeal to me. I think the limitations of this is part of its charm. Just actually getting out there and rocking the show with a pair of vinyl turntables that don't even have pitch control on them. So you're on your own, baby. I mean, you're really trying to cue stuff up on the fly and everything like that as well. And just, I just think it's going to be great fun. So I want to do a few kind of retro disco nights over the next while and kind of get I have a decent vinyl collection, so I should be able to cobble together a few decent tracks. Probably will have a tablet or something like that with a few extra tunes in it plugged into the auxiliary input. I'm not sure if I'm going to cheat like that yet or not, but wait till you see the amp I'm going to use as well. For the smaller venues, I have this indestructible HHVS Musician amplifier, which doesn't have a massive power output, but it should be able to hold its own in a smaller venue. On the other hand, if I want to stress out those HH speakers, I have that Studio Master 1200D. No Class D amplifiers for me. No, thank you very much. That has got a big monster of a toroidal transformer in it and weighs the same as a small car. Obviously, I can't play the song for you properly, but that's Gay Bikers on Acid. Don't be human, Eric. Let's be Frank Delirium, apparently. It's class. One thing I can do for you is I can show you a song that I have re-released because I used to actually make my own music as well. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this track. This is Defector, Crockett's Team, and it's just been released on Spotify. I hope you like it. Just a snippet, of course. The full track is available on Spotify and other streaming services, and I will leave a link in the description below. Hope you like it.